When we put paint into the paint pot, we only use about a ½ inch of paint. We want to wipe off the interior of the can, the lid, so we can secure it again. We only want to use this much paint because we only want to dab and slap. We only want the paint going right about here. We don't want the paint going up here. We don't want to fill the paint pot all the way up halfway so you're not able to dunk your brush. Painting, you have to dunk. When you dunk it and hit the bottom, it gets it into the bristles of the brush. And then when you slap, it takes all the excess paint off and there's no drips. If you dunk it and just pull it up and try to paint, then obviously you're dripping all over the place. So professional painters don't do that. We dunk it and then we slap it. That eliminates the drips, and then you can apply it to your trim.